What's up, y'all? We have a southbound CSX train coming. We'll meet a northbound CSX. What the fuck can I do? It's a good spot to set my scanner. We have the CSX coming and it should be meeting a northbound here momentarily. Yo, Tristan's on the other side of the meet. $5,200 in the front, $5,360 in the second. Another grain train. And there's the other one. That's a B train. No, it's a manifest. M422. Oh, there goes that 422 all gone. Alright, go ahead and throttle up, he says. What if I started talking mad? Alright, here comes the end of this grain train, or empty grain hopper train. Alright, well, yeah, nice little meet. Hope you all enjoyed the video.